Hey, happy Friday. Hope everybody is doing awesome. Ryan Lee here with Planet Cheapskate, coming at you live, giving you your rate update going into the weekend. So if you're out there doing your open houses, if you're taking anybody to see any listings, you know exactly what the rates look like. This is from a licensed loan officer. And so we're going to get to our rates. But first, I just wanted to say what's up to my realtor partners out there. I want to always say thank you so much for partnering with me. Very, very excited. I'm going to have some Christmas cards going out to you. So if you get those, I haven't decided on a gift. There's a couple different ideas I have. So I'm consulting with Denise, and we're gonna get those out to you guys. So my way of just saying thank you. If you're not a realtor partner, uh, get a hold of me. I'd love to partner up with you. My number is 316-744-5819. I'm right here in Wichita, and we got an office now, and we're doing some renovations to hopefully have a grand opening in the spring sometime. And I'm super stoked because you guys are going to love it. You're going to get a lot of utilization from this office. So, uh, with that said, good luck out there. Any of you, if you need help marketing any properties, if you have any, open houses, if you have any new listings that you're wanting to put out there, let me know. I have some methods that I can use to get your listing some notoriety. So, hey, Denise, thanks for tuning in. There she is. We're getting ready to go after this wall here and get it all set up just the way that Denise wants it. I gave her full authorization to be kind of the foreman over all the design of this office. I got a lot of stuff going on, a lot of moving parts, and so she's helping me out. I want to thank you for that. Let's see, anything else going on? Hey, business is going really good. FHA borrowers, if you're out there with an FHA approval, I'm seeing FHAs getting accepted left and right. And I don't know what it is. This happens very, very rare. I don't think it's ever happened since I started doing the rate update, but all four of the loan products, different rates this week. And the best one is FHA. I'm gonna have to do some digging, see what that's all about. But rates are looking really good. I think inflation numbers are looking good. Now there is an inflation. Let me check up my notes here. I think it's on the 13th of December. Be looking out for that. Those inflation numbers are going to give us an idea of kind of like how everything's looking. I don't know. I don't know what I did with it. I think it's on the 13th. Could be on the 12th. But super stoked about the holidays. Hope everybody's having an awesome, awesome holiday season. Let's see. Hanukkah actually starts on my birthday this year, so I'm super stoked about that. I'm going to probably do a Hanukkah thumbnail next week. Uh, One of my good friends who I met in Vegas, his name's Ari, and I believe I don't know. I think he may be Jewish. I don't know, but I'm excited about that. Hanukkah coming up, and then I think Kwanzaa is the day after Christmas. And then super stoked about Christmas too. Me and my family always meet at my dad's. We have a different theme. We're honoring my father because this is 50 years of my father and my mother's parenthood. So we're doing this thing. I think we're going to go through all of our family members, but we're starting out with my father, and we're going to honor him. So we're wearing stuff, or we're taking props or whatever stuff that reminds us of my dad. So it's kind of cool. We always have a theme, and we always have a lot of cool, fun stuff. I do a giveaway, so super, super stoked about that. Um, but yeah, rates looking super good. I don't want to keep you waiting any longer. Let's get right to these rates. All right. Conventional is at 6.5 with an APR of 6.895. FHA is at 5.75 with an APR of 6.761. VA is at 6 with an APR of 6.217. And USDA is at 6.125 with an APR of 6.576. Okay. So conventional is down about 0.5%. FHA is almost a full percent lower. That's awesome. Awesome news for FHA borrowers. VA is about 0.5% lower, and USDA is about 0.2% lower. So these rates are looking great. So if you have been kind of on the fence, home prices are coming down, rates are coming down. there's not as much competition because of winter. Nobody wants to move in the winter. I never minded. I think two of my home purchases, one of them was in February, and I think the other one was in January. It's the best time to get the deals. So if you're out there and you're on the fence, get a hold of me. I'll help you get if your credit's not where it needs to be. I got some professionals that I work with. We'll get your credit where it needs to be. If you have any questions, let me know. 316-744-5819. My company now can serve the whole United States. And so there is not a state out there that I can't help you with. So get a hold of me. There should be a link below if you want to work with me. Also, follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok. If you watch some of my other videos, you know that I do these things called loan hacks. So on loan hacks, I just give you secrets of how to save money, how to do things, and how to get through some of the challenges that you go through whenever you do the loan. TikTok, that's all I do. I lay out that. I lay out some personal advice, but most importantly, I do my loan hacks, and you're going to love those. Go follow me on TikTok. I'm going to start getting into more content creation now that the office is kind of shaping itself. That kind of was daunting and took a lot of my time, but I'm going to start doing some more content creation. You don't want to miss out on those tips. Behind the scenes, look at my life on Instagram. You'll see photos of my family. You'll see things that me and Denise do, in our free time. So check that out. One of the cool things I like to do is we always dress up for Halloween. That's one of our favorite holidays. And so check that out. Other than that, rates look really good. Let me just clarify. These are for a 30-day lock on 30-year fixed terms. And these are not rates you can go to a bank or credit union and just, demand that they give you. When you walk into a bank, when you walk into a credit union, you call them up, they're going to give you whatever rates they feel like they can get away with. They not always, but most of the time are not looking out for your best financial, what's the word I'm looking for? They're not looking out for your best financial interests. They are looking out for their employees of the bank. They're looking out for the financial interest of their employer. When you work with an independent loan officer, a broker such as myself, we have a fiduciary duty and we're licensed from national authorities to represent your best interest in the transaction. You can't do better than that. So go talk to a broker, a local broker preferably, and get your loan done. But that's all I got for you. Hope everybody has a happy and safe weekend. I'll see you on the other side.